Good evening, everybody. Today on this edition of Home Repair with Rob, we're going to show you how to fix a constant running faucet thing. That's the technical name. And maybe replace this and replace this leak at the top of this thing right here. I'm going to show you what tools to use, what other contraptions we have. If you want to know what they are, you're going to have to subscribe so I can reply back. You're going to have to like that video and you're going to have to send it to all your friends. So let's get to work, shall we? First, what you need to do is turn off the water, your main water, okay? Find it. It's generally a big pipe with a thing that says main water. It's turned off. Now, you just turned off the water. What you need to do now is turn the water on, because you got to empty your pipes. Sometimes you have to empty those pipes. Okay, so it's on. I'm gonna go drain the water. Unscrew like this. Put it in, put the new one in. Okay, got that in. This is just excess water that was in the pipe. Now we're gonna do this. What you wanna do is pop this off. And then this right here screws off. You have to be careful so you can screw it off. And then you just, after you unscrew it a little, take that out. Grab your new one. You're going to replace everything new. Make sure that's on there. This is the new one. Put it on there. Gotta be careful. Screw this on. Make sure you subscribe and like. Okay, put the top on there, just like that. Got the new handle on. That's pretty much it. You just do it like that. Now, let's go turn the water on. Feels good to be able to water my plants.